What if I told you that real estate isn't just for big-time investors? That you could be making an extra $10,000 or more per month with real estate side hustles, even if you don't own any property. In today's video, I'm going to break down 7 powerful real estate side hustles that can create serious cash flow and help you build long-term wealth. Stick with me to the end, because number 7 might just blow your mind. Let's start with one of the most accessible and profitable real estate side hustles: wholesaling. You don't need a real estate license, and you don't need to own property. The strategy is simple. You find distressed properties being sold below market value, put them under contract, and then assign that contract to an investor for a fee. How do you find these deals? Use direct mail marketing, driving for dollars, or searching through foreclosure and auction lists. Once you have a motivated seller, negotiate a great deal, and then market it to investors who are always looking for undervalued properties. If done correctly, wholesaling can bring in $5,000 to $20,000 per deal, and experienced wholesalers close multiple deals every month. Next up is Airbnb arbitrage, one of the hottest real estate side hustles right now. Instead of buying property, you rent properties from landlords and turn them into short-term rentals. Here's how it works. You negotiate a lease with a property owner, assuring them that you'll maintain the property and keep it in top condition. Then, you furnish the space, list it on Airbnb or VRBO, and make money from nightly rentals. The key is finding properties in high-demand areas, such as vacation spots or business hubs. If a unit costs you $2,000 in rent and expenses, but brings in $6,000 per month in bookings, you're making a $4,000 profit from just one property. Scale this up to 3 or more properties, and you're easily making over $10,000 a month. Do you enjoy making videos or writing? Then real estate content creation could be your golden ticket. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, real estate content attracts massive audiences and can generate huge income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Start by picking a niche: real estate investing tips, market trends, home improvement, or even reviewing luxury homes. Post high-quality content consistently, and once you build an engaged audience, you can monetize in multiple ways. Many real estate YouTubers make over $20,000 per month just from ad revenue and sponsorships. And the best part? You don't even have to be an expert at first. Just document your learning journey. If you have a camera and some editing skills, real estate photography and videography can be a high-paying side hustle. Real estate agents and property owners need high-quality images and videos to market homes, and they're willing to pay top dollar for them. A single photo shoot can bring in $200 to $500, while a well-edited real estate video tour can earn you $1,000 or more dollars. If you book several shoots a week, you can easily surpass $10,000 a month. Consider offering 3D virtual tours and drone footage to stand out in the market. With the rise of social media marketing in real estate, the demand for this service is only growing. Ever heard of real estate note investing? This is where you buy mortgage notes. Basically, you're buying the debt instead of the property. When homeowners make their mortgage payments, you collect the interest. Notes can be purchased at a discount, especially if the original lender wants to offload them quickly. As an investor, you can earn passive income from interest payments, or you can sell the notes for a profit. Some investors make 6 figures a year doing this part-time. If you want a truly hands-off way to make money in real estate, note investing is worth exploring. Not interested in sales, but still want to make money in real estate? Consider becoming a transaction coordinator. This is an administrative role where you help real estate agents manage paperwork, schedule inspections, and ensure smooth transactions. The beauty of this hustle is that you don't need a real estate license and you can work remotely. Transaction coordinators typically earn between $300 to $500 per transaction. If you handle 20 deals a month, that's an easy $10,000. Plus, as you gain experience, you can charge higher fees. Last, but definitely not least, real estate coaching and consulting. If you have experience in real estate, whether it's flipping, wholesaling, or renting, people will pay you to teach them. You can offer one-on-one coaching, group mentorship programs, or even sell online courses. Many real estate coaches charge $100 to $500 per hour for consulting. And with online courses, you can create a scalable income stream, making $10,000 plus per month from just a handful of students. If you love teaching and helping others, this is an incredibly rewarding and profitable side hustle. There you have it, 7 real estate side hustles that can make you $10,000 or more every month. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about building wealth through real estate, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss my next upload. I have tons of videos coming up on real estate investing, market trends, and wealth building strategies, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.